Okay, all right, a quick report on wiring and firing. We got our service switch there. The old oil-fired service switch was there, and then when they switched over to gas, they kept it there. We just modified it and brought it down here. The thermostat comes in here, and in the Galaxies, the pressure control is used as the junction box for the thermostat tie-in. We've got a full port ball valve there. We're going to get a cap on that. And that's going to be really nice for rapid draining of this wet return here. Right there. We got the flue in there. It's a 47-foot flue, so it's drafting like a boss. No problems there. No. Yeah, there's the old oil burner right there. Beckett, I think. So, let's see, moving on. There, we got one main there that we drilled and tapped and installed a Gorton number 1. Now, because this was coal and then went to oil, the oil people were required to install an emergency shutoff valve. Now, the shutoff switch. So the old emergency shutoff switch looked like that. That's for the basement lighting. And so we upgraded a little bit and put a properly marked switch on there and a shield so that it's not shut off by accident. Careful on these steps here. Bear with me. There we go. And at this end of the main, we have drilled and tapped for Gorton. That's the final takeoff. So that's where we want to remove the air from. If we were to put it back here, then there would still be trapped air in there. And we find that even in this location, there's really no problem with water hammer or spitting or anything like that. The boiler's producing nice dry steam with a good header that we tied onto, and so that shouldn't present any problems. That's pretty tight to that joist there. That should do it for that. It's a little crowded here. We'll go back to the boiler and we'll sign off. Yeah, looks like we're running out of juice, so I'm going to sign off, and another shot of the header and the VXT with those nice glowing numbers, which we hope will show very low numbers when we hopefully look at this in another year. So thank you all again for your support, and questions and comments, appreciate them, and on to the next one.